Boy back with another video. Thank you guys for liking my previous video and subscribing. Today is another day and I bring to you another analysis for tomorrow. How many of you guys were successful yesterday? I mean profitable. If you guys had a break-even day, a loss, a profitable day, let me hear that in the comment section. So let's go on to the chart and see what happened yesterday, and see what's going to happen, or anticipate what was going to happen tomorrow. Alright, so yesterday on EURUSD, I quite remember we were somewhere around here during our analysis, and I told you guys that over here, since we changed character from here, we were supposed to see bullish market, more push to the upside. And yes, we did push to the upside, but what we did was change character again, and then change character again. This is liquidity grabbing. They knew they were going to push up, but they wanted to grab those who bought from this side. So they grabbed liquidity and then decided to push up again. And to be honest, I wouldn't have taken this trade, because this would have been a change of character for me, indicating selling pressure. And this was the last order block from which price changed character. So over here, I'll be waiting patiently for an entry formation before I enter the sell. And then even if I had entered here, alright, I would have been taken out over here. Alright, so to be honest, I would have had a loss on this sell here. But anyway, I didn't take this trade though. So from here we pushed up, changed character, back up here, and then we went all the way up here, gave us a low, and then pushed us up again to break structure here. Okay, so once we broke structure here, this was our last OB before the break of structure. So if we could place an entry somewhere around here, we could go in for a buy, since we are on a bias market actually. So from here we buy up to 30 pips, but to be honest, we wouldn't have gotten our 30 pips, because over here you can see after this break of structure, we ranged for the time period that it took from here to here. Alright, now let me check how many pips we would have gotten if we'd entered from here. Okay, so this is just a 10 pip move. Alright, and then remember guys that we are on EURUSD. We were supposed to push for 30 pips, alright? And to be honest, our 30 pip had already been accomplished. Okay, so this was the move. If we had had an entry from this side, probably a grab of liquidity from this side, we could have capitalized on this buy, but this is not my strategy. So though I see it works sometimes, I don't trade it, because that's not my strategy. Okay, so this is what we would have had on EURUSD today, but luckily for me, I didn't trade EURUSD today. So we are still in a buyer's market here, and from here what I'm anticipating is price, as it dumped back down into this OB. That was the last candle before the push above that broke structure here. We came back down, and then from here we are supposed to see, or I'm supposed to see another break of structure, or close above, a candle closing above this high, indicating more buys. Alright, so this would be something like this. Alright, come back down and then continue upwards. That's taking or breaking above this entire cell that was here. Alright, but also remember that anything can happen in the market. This is not a concrete proof of market going up, but you know, we are just anticipating. All right, we are just reacting of what we see. Okay, so another thing is that price can also come back down here, change character, come back in, and then we push down. This is another option. All right, price can do anything, but you always have to wait for confirmation. And then always know that you are supposed to react when price tells you what it's about to do. Yeah, you react. So once the entry is given, you have to take it. If you are afraid, you are not going to be able to take it. So that is it. So this is what I have for you on EURUSD for today. And then let's see what happens during the London session. Alright, now let's move on to gold. Okay, so fortunately for me today, I had a beautiful buy on gold. Very, very beautiful. Catching me 100 pips and then opting out of the market. Alright, so remember what I said yesterday. Gold is still in a downtrend, alright? We are still in a downtrend. This is just the correction of this entire move down here, alright? Now, if I see a break of change of character from somewhere around this zone, you know, push above, push down. Let me just illustrate so you guys can see well. So push above, push down, push above. Oh, sorry. Push up, push down, push up, change of character, then we can sell to take out this low. Alright, so this is what I'm hoping to see on gold tomorrow. Alright, this is what I'm hoping to see on gold tomorrow. Now let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Alright, so on gold, you can clearly see that over here we shifted structure to the downside, we broke structure again to the downside, and then changed character above here, gave us a low, broke structure, gave us a low, broke structure, and then Monday came. Alright, so when market opened, we decided to change character again to the downside. It gave us a beautiful up candle, up move, you know, a lower high move, and then broke structure again, giving us a lower low, indicating sellers in the market. All right, selling pressure. All right, but unfortunately for us, from here we were supposed to continue downwards, but price decided to break or change character again. Now this happened during the London session. All right, right in the London session we changed character, and then we went down, you know, we corrected the move down onto this order block, gave us a beautiful entry pattern, and then we decided to enter. I went in for 100 pips and then I went out of the market. You get me? Went in just for 100 pips and then out of the market. So from here you can clearly see that we are still in the buyer's market. All right, though we haven't broken or closed above this high yet. No, I don't think we closed above it. We haven't closed above this high. All right, so okay, I think that is a close, but I'm not really going to take this as a close, because on the 30 minutes time frame you will just see it as a wick. All right, so that is not a close for me, that is a wick. Until we break above this, we break and close above this zone, we are still in the buyer's market. Okay, we are still in the buyer's market. We have to wait for price to close above this zone. Now once price is closed above this zone, then we can look for another entry model during the London session. All right, anything can happen. Okay, so once we push and close above this zone, I would wait patiently for price to come into the last order block before the move happened to the top, somewhere around this zone, and then we buy from that zone. So this is our invalidation zone. Once price gets down here, closes below that zone, then direction changes. Okay, so let's see what price will do. So anticipation for today, today, is that from down here I'm supposed to see a break and close above, and possibly a low and then another break. Okay, now when London comes in, London will determine whether we are going to push down to continue the overall trend or break above this entire zone. Okay, break above this entire zone. That is what we are waiting to see. Thank you guys for showing up, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's inconsistency with my my speech, please forgive me, because this is actually my second video, and I'm going to improve upon that. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.